Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an ad block on your Google Chrome. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up your Google Chrome on your laptop or PC, and then you want to type in Google Chrome Store, and you want to click on the first result from chrome.google.com, and then once this is loaded, click on your top right hand corner of your screen where it says search extensions and themes, type in Adblock. A whole bunch of different ad blocks are going to pop up here, so I highly recommend the third one here, Adblock Plus free. The second one's good too, Adblock, best ad blocker, but that isn't free, so that's a paid version. So go ahead and click on Adblock Plus, and then from here click on Add to Chrome, the blue button there, and then add extension. Alright, now it's installing Adblock Plus. Give it a few moments to install. Alright guys, you'll come to this page once it's installed onto Google Chrome. You can pay here or just simply exit out. And now to enable it, click on your extensions, Adblock Plus here. So simply click on it and then toggle it off or on to stop ads appearing. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to a channel if you found this video helpful.